Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix my grips that are on the beast ever since she was bought. So 85,000 kilometers, like 50,000 miles. We will fix them, and in today's video what you will find out is I will tell you, well, my experience with the original heated grips by BRP. I will show you how I will fix them. You will see one small tip and also the good things and bad things about the fix that I will do. 2022 rules, no bullshit around, straight to the point, and no video ads. How cool is that? Now enough of this, let's get started. First thing, let me tell you a little bit about the BRP grips, the original ones that I have bought together with the bike. 2015, as I said, 85,000 kilometers, 50,000 miles plus minus. They've been good, like rough riding, and mostly I'm riding in gloves. And so like those stitches on the gloves, they really give a hard time to your grips. Now, they've been good since like 2 years ago. Ever since then, they are not good because they're too thin. They are still working. I mean, they are still heating, but you know, the damage on the rubber, I was just riding on a gas station and back, and I already have a dirty hand. So without gloves, it's not really a, let's say, clean or comfortable riding. In general, I don't know if BRP has made changes ever since, but they're just terrible. They're not good. They heat you a little bit. It's not like on RTs, or I think F3 Limited has better heated grips, or F3T, I think. But this S and F3 Basic, they're just very basic, and they have just one level, and it's not enough. And especially when you ride in gloves like this, like when it's cold outside, when it's raining outside, you would like to have Gore-Tex gloves. The heat will not go through. So for me, they're heated, but honestly, I got used to over time riding like almost like without heated grips. That's the experience, you know. But they last decently long. It's different experience on the RYKERs. They're just the basic grips. They're just fading away so quick. On this bike we have around 1,000 kilometers, so it's 700 miles. There is a structure. There is no structure here, and this bike has something like 4,000 kilometers. It's gone. It's here. This one is gone, and it's gonna get worse. So what is the solution? The first solution would be to go for heated grips, just to change them, which is like I explained you why it doesn't make any sense for me. Option number two would be to go for aftermarket grips like these Kuriakin. Kuriakin, it's so complicated name, but very good brand in the motorcycle industry. I have one for RYKERs, but I do not have on a shop at the moment one for Spyder. So, but anyway, for me, what I have found, what works much better, it's this option. They're like, how do you call them, like slip-on grips. So one, they are foam grips. They sell very well. Have a look. It's just typical foam, quite good quality. However, with the foam itself, I recommend to buy 2 sets of these in case you would like to go through the season, because they wear off. I mean, not dramatically, but they will wear off. Well, it's absolutely a new thing. It's again from La Monster. I sell this product. It's leather-like grips. It has nothing to do with leather, so all animals are safe. It's something like a melted rubber on the top, but the feeling is absolutely great, almost like really like leather-like feeling. What I like about them, and if you have seen my videos how I was rebuilding the F3, the Daytona, into the black one, that was the first time when I really tried them on the road. And what I like is that they will make your rides or grips thicker. So this one, it's 10. I didn't mind before, but once I have tested these, I would like to be like that. And also, they help you a little bit with vibration, so it's a little bit smoother ride. They will fix the ugly look of my grips as well. Will the heat go through? Well, there was no heat going, almost no heat going through those original grips in my gloves. But if you will have the RT and much more, like several levels of heating, yeah, they will go through. I'm pretty sure about that. Now, tiny little tip. So I will be applying these leather-like grips. And the tip, by the way, have I told you that all of these items you can get on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, so the largest European shop for CanAm Spyder and RYKER aftermarket parts. More than 350 items sitting in Europe, and I ship worldwide. Plus I do badass support always. Good. Tip here, how to put them on, how to, you know, put them on the right. This tip is coming from La Monster. It's not my idea. I just tested it and it worked. So I'm having this, what it is, like cleaning your hands, the disinfection thing, sanitizer. And the good thing is, I actually broke it. The good thing is that it evaporates because it has alcohol, but it will make your grips, like easy to slip on. So just put it like this and it's super easy. All right, couple of seconds, there we go, and everything will evaporate, and that's it. Love this fix. Actually, it's not only about fix for me, it's about new joy from riding, because the grips are bigger. Also, they are much smoother and comfortable. So yeah, ever since I have tried it, I know that that's the way where I would like to go. Didn't believe it, really, honestly. I love it. Guys, in case you like what I do, I have memorabilia on my shop, MartinTheVlogger.com. Remember, always have fun. I have these stickers. That's a memorabilia for 2022 year, so I can keep up going without annoying YouTube ads, YouTube video ads. And also, in case you are here and you would like to experience Europe on 3 wheels, we have these badass 3-wheelers, RYKERs. And just write me to these contact details in case you are in Bratislava, Slovakia, in case you are in Vienna, Austria, in case you are in Budapest, Hungary, in case you are in Prague, Czech Republic. We are super close by. There are 4 capital cities in very, very close distance. And I'm in Bratislava, Slovakia, but I can come to pick you up anywhere. Anyway, guys, just write me, and now remember, fix your grips, buy the leather-like grips or foam grips in case you want, but always have fun.